is Viplav. Today I'll demonstrate the experiment about taste of food by nose. Materials required are a small apple, a small potato, 2 spoons and a grate. Grate the potato and put it in 1 spoon. Grate equal amount of apple in another spoon. Close your eyes and mix each of the spoons so that you are not sure which is which. Hold your nose and taste each of the foods. I'm having trouble which is which. The results are you'll have trouble telling which is which. Science behind it. The nose shares the airway, the pharynx, with the mouth. Therefore, we smell and taste at the same time. Only bitter, sour, salty and sweet are pure tastes. Other tastes are combinations of taste and odor. Without your nose, you may not be able to tell what you're eating. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do consider liking and subscribing. Most importantly, don't forget to share with your friends and family members. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.